You followed all your dreams throughout your life, so it seems like you're on the road.
I'm one of those few privileged people who whatever he asked from the Almighty, he got it. And this is my last wish that, two things I want. One thing is if I can bring people out of poverty, but related to that is rule of law. Because I believe that if you have rule of law, and if you can bring people out of poverty and look after a humane society, then you don't have to do this. Society goes up then. A nation rises when it rises inclusively. It doesn't rise when a tiny people keep getting richer and the rest are left behind. It rises what China has done. Is what our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he built the first society in the 7th century. And that society had these two things, rule of law, and it was the first welfare state in the history of mankind. And they became the greatest civilization for hundreds of years.